Well, glad to see hunnuh Ed Atkins. What's going on?
Ain't a thing, girl.
Well, look, I see you the sign next to that sign to see if being point to.
Yeah, good fishing around here.
Good fishing run. And why is it important to you?
It's very important to me because sometimes I got to go there for big oyster.
So now, how you see Bay Point in 40 years' time? Has Bay Point changed? Do it look different to you?
Yes, it look a lot different from the time I used to go there till now.
Really?
Everything is eroding away, the oyster bed dying, the mud, the mud flat turning to fluff mud, and a lot of marsh dying out.
Really? And that's already happening?
That's already happening.
And ain't no buildings over there?
No building over there. Do not let nobody develop Bay Point.
So you would encourage people to stay with us and sign the petition for stop this?
Stop this development on Bay Point.
Definitely. We sure